Hey little learners, let's unbox a world of imagination with our wooden jigsaw puzzle. Inside, you will find 24 action cards, each one showing a fun body movement. It's simple, just pick a card, let's say jumping with arms up, or any other action card which you like to mimic. Now, watch as the puzzle comes to life. Piece by piece, we move the hands, the legs, and ta-da! The little wooden friend matches the action perfectly. But wait, the magic doesn't stop there. Show the card to your child and see their face light up as they copy the same pose. Giggles, creativity, and learning all in one playful moment.